Hello everyone. Today I would like to have a closer look at another product I have received from gearbest.com, and this time it's another product from Baseus, and this time it is a USB micro USB charging cable. Some information that is written on the box. It's being quoted as 2.1 amp current and has a length of 1 meter. Also on the bottom we have some information that doesn't wind in itself and also supports quick charge. Very neat packing from Baseus as always. Considering the price, Baseus really makes a good effort when it comes to product quality and packing. Okay, let's have a look at the back where we have an indication at how the terminals, the USB and micro USB terminals look. Okay, now let's take a closer look inside. Okay, the wire is neatly packed inside plastic bag. Let's see, yeah, there is some manuals also. Okay, nothing more inside. Let's start having a look at what papers are included. The warranty card and also a small leaflet to have a look at more products from Baseus. Okay, now let's have a look at the wire out of the bag. Okay, we also have a ribbon holding it together, and this is the micro USB cable from Baseus, 1 meter length. Let's have a closer look at the USBs as it was shown on the box. Okay, micro USB to USB. Let's also try it out. I have the Baseus charger I have shown in the other video. I bring my mobile, connect the USB, and now I shall be connecting the micro USB. And there you go. Just a normal USB cable like the one you get standard with the mobile phone, but this one will be extra, or in case your original cable is damaged. The texture of the cable is very soft, rubbery, and as it was written, it won't get wound in itself, but instead it will keep. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.